Good afternoon, children. How are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe and you are at home reading a lot of things and so many things you are doing at home. So this is a class 4th science, class 4th English. As we have completed the chapter, now we are going to complete the worksheet 1. Okay, that is worksheet 1, read and answer on the page number 19, on the page number 19 of your worksheet. I hope you have already be ready with the pencil as well as your worksheet. Now let us read. Read the passage. Once there was an old owl who wanted to share his wisdom with everyone. He started a school for all the creatures of the forest. After teaching them for a few days, he decided to check how well they could think. So he asked them, well, why does the moon shine in the sky? So what here the passage is about what, children? Here the passage is about the owl. He wants to open a new school and he continues started teaching them. Okay, so once he wants to take a examination. In that what he has asked, he asked that why does the moon shine in the sky? So to this the nightingale answers. So nightingale is a bird, answered, it shines so it may give me company as I sing all night. So actually nightingale is a bird which can sing so nice in the night. That is the reason it is called as nightingale, means the bird which can sing all night. Okay, next one. The hare said, it shines to throw light on my enemy so that I may run away from them and be safe. So what the nightingale said? The nightingale said that why does the moon shine? Moon shines because so that I can sing at whole night. What the what the hare said? So that I can escape from the enemies and I may run very fast so that the enemy should not catch me. The fox said, it shines so I may see the squirrels and make a meal of them. The dog said. So now the obviously the turn of nightingale is over and then hare is over, and now who's the turn? This is the dog. So what the dog is saying? The dog is saying that it shines so that I can see the squirrels and make a meal of them. That the dog said. It shines so that I guard my master's house well. On hearing all them, no, actually the fox is saying like that, like it shines so that I can see the squirrels and I can eat them. But what the dog said that so that it shines so nice because so that I can guard my owner's house, because that we are keeping, na? Yes or no, children? On hearing all of them, the owl exclaimed, enough, enough. There is just one moon in the sky. Why does each one think it shines only for you? Now what the owl is saying? There is only one moon in the sky. Why you are thinking that it moons for you? It shines for you. It is not shining for only for you. It shines for all and it shines under the same pace. Now A-bit, fill in the blanks with the correct answers. The owl wanted to share his wisdom. Obviously, please tick the B part. He asked the forest creature why the moon dash in the sky. That is shone in the sky. Okay, so here you can write shone. S-H-O-N-E, shone. Okay. Next, the hare believed that the moon helped it to be what? Safe, visible or warm? Yes, obviously that is safe. You can write here safe. Please tick as well as you have to write. Okay, children. The fox thought that it shone to help him catch his what? Enemies, prey or prey? P-R-E-Y, catch his prey. P-R-E-Y, prey. Next, children, the owl dash why they each thought the moon shone only for them. Asked, answered or reminded? The all reminded, yes, the all reminded. reminded, reminded. Okay, so this you have to do. Okay, next one, answer. Just wait, children. Yeah, answer in 1 or 2 words. What did the owl start? Obviously school. Please write it down, children. School, school. Next one, who believed that the moon gave it company while singing? Obviously nightingale. Write the spelling, children. Nighttingale, nightingale. Next one, who said the moon shone in order to help him guard a house? That is dog, D-O-G, dog. Please write down, children. Next, who exclaimed that there was only one moon? That is owl, O-W-L, owl. Please write down, children, or you can pause the video and you can write, children. Yes. Next one, write true or false. The hare felt safe when the moon shone. True or false? Yes, it is true. You can write T-R-U-E. Yes. Next, the nightingale sang at night. Yes, it is true. Please write down T, capital T, small r, small u, small e. The fox wanted to guard the house. Obviously false, because that is dog wants to guard the house. False. Please write down false. Next one, children, the moon was disappointed at their answers. False, because nobody is listening now, only the owl was listening. Yes. Okay, children, you just completed. Take care, ma. Bye.